Hey there shoppers, it's Amy, and today I want to do a video talking about my favorites at SkillShare. They've sponsored this video and you guys know how much I love learning on their platform. It is an amazing subscription where you can log on to Skillshare. It's like going on Netflix, except instead of just watching a show, in the time it takes you to watch a TV show, you can learn a new skill, deepen your professional skills, and overall just improve your life. You can dive into your creativity, follow your passions, sharpen your career skills. There's so many things you can do on Skillshare. So if you are a lifelong learner and you have not already signed up, I encourage you guys to do that today. I'm gonna leave a link for you below. And spoiler, every person that signs up under my link, the first 1,000 are going to get 1 month of Skillshare absolutely free. So please, please, please do that today. But first, I want to tell you guys what I have been working on with Skillshare. Of course, on Skillshare, you can learn graphic design, you can learn video editing, you can learn illustration, you can learn productivity and career skills. There are so many things, but you also have things that are maybe just more what I consider a for me, just something that is for my own creative pursuits and my mental well-being. And one class that I've really, really enjoyed lately is Indoor Gardening by Edka Chartery. She's an amazing teacher. She's an ecologist, PhD, turned YouTuber, turned gardener, and she is fantastic. This class is 50 minutes long, 50, like 50, under an hour. And I cannot believe how much I learned and how much it has elevated my gardening skills. I'm not anywhere near Edka's skills yet, but I'm actually making my own or growing my own microgreens. I've got some basil going outside. I learned a new soil mixture that's really helped my plants indoors thrive. I'm learning where to put them so I can still grow things in the right amount of sunlight. I found out that I was overwatering my plants. All of this in 50 minutes. Absolutely incredible. It is the best use of your time. It's the best way to just learn new things, unwind, use your mind, sharpen your skills. I cannot say enough good things about Skillshare. They are one of our favorite sponsors here, and I really, really encourage you guys, check them out, sign up with this link, get 1 month free, and then you are going to be hooked on it just like I am. Definitely leave me a comment, you guys. Tell me about your favorite courses, and definitely check out Indoor Gardening with Edka. You will love this class, and regardless of if you have a green thumb, I know that there's going to be things that you can learn, or if you were just starting out, or maybe you think you're horrible with houseplants. No matter where you are on that spectrum, you're going to get so much out of her course, and that's really how all of Skillshare's classes are. They meet you where you are, and they have something for everyone. So go ahead, you guys, sign up today. You're going to be really happy you did. Adios, amigos.